6 traits of people who live with intensity. Adding intensity to your life can make you happier, more energetic, and more motivated. But are you a bit stumped on how to start? What does adding intensity actually mean? Here are 6 traits of people who live their lives intensely. 1. Intensity requires passion. You've probably heard the phrase, follow your bliss. Well, it really works if you want to live a life of enthusiasm and contentment. People who live with intensity are passionate about what they do. Whether it's their life's work or their main pastime, their passion is front and center all the time. They think about it from the moment they wake up until bedtime, and even then they dream about it. Find what makes your heart sing and feel the enthusiasm in your life skyrocket. 2. Feel the gratitude. Gratitude fuels enthusiasm and passion, and that fuels intensity. Being grateful for what's in your life right now, from that great donut on your desk to the people who love you. Acknowledging the great things in your life makes you open to receiving more. You'll also find joy in unexpected places. Already your life is full of intensity, full of gifts. 3. Intensity thrives on positivity. People who live lives full of enthusiasm and intensity invariably have a positive mindset. They see good things around them and expect to receive more. Negativity saps the joy out of life and is a complete demotivator. Keep your energy high by seeing the bright side, by finding the lessons in failure and turning them into stepping stones to success. 4. Celebrate your success. Keep your intensity level high by being proud of yourself. Make sure to notice the things you're proud of, share and celebrate them with family and friends. Make the first thing you say a good news story instead of sharing gloom and doom. 5. Make things happen. Proactive people take responsibility for growing intensity. The great thing about intensity is that it's infectious. You can build your own intensity and spark it in others by being the person who initiates, who's proactive. Kickstart that virtuous circle by being inspiring, by taking control and see the energy rise. 6. Be creative. Intensity also thrives on thinking outside the box. People who live with intensity are often very creative. Their ideas come from left field because they're open to innovation. They're continually thinking what if instead of sticking to the conventional path.